Hello, welcome to my channel. Today's reading is going to be about are they stalking you on social media. You have to choose one pile from 4 piles given below. Now let's start with pile 1. Pile 1, this is the reading for you. Are they stalking you on social media? So the first card is that they are a follower of you on social media. They are addicted to your content that you post. They are addicted to your account. They feel you are very talented. They want to follow you back. They like seeing your pictures. They like all the content you post on social media. This could be Instagram. They are a follower of you on Instagram, so this could be someone who stalks you secretly on Instagram. They are on Facebook as well, so this person stalks you on Facebook as well. This person has added you as friend. This person likes seeing your pictures on Facebook. They might be putting some likes on Facebook these days. This person wants to understand your content. They follow whatever content you post. They want to show you new ideas. They want you to produce new content. This person wants to learn something from you. This person is someone who collects your pictures and videos. They have your content saved on their phone. This person will have a reunion with you soon. So this was the reading for pile 1. If you like this video, please put a like and share this video with your friends. Now let's move on to pile 2. Pile 2, this is your reading. Are they stalking you on social media? The first card is the Tower card. This person has noticed the fact that you have deleted or disabled your Instagram. It could be that you deleted or disabled your Facebook account or some other account. This person has noticed this. They want you to reactivate your account again. This person likes and appreciates whatever content you post. They find your content very creative. This person wants to understand you, so they are trying to approach you on social media. This person really enjoys whatever content you post. This person wants to be close with you. They want to add you as friend on social media. They want to come very close with you. This person wants to add you on Facebook or Instagram. This person really appreciates your pictures and videos. They find you very attractive. They find you very physically attractive. They want to speak to you. So this person might text you on social media. This person sees you as their friend on social media. This person is motivated to being around you. This person checks out your content on a regular basis. This person is committed to checking your account on a regular basis. This person wants a reunion with you. So this was the reading for pile 2. If you like this video, please put a like and share with your friends. Now the next is pile 3. Pile 3, this is your reading. The first card we have is the Knight of Cups. This person does not check you out. They rarely pay attention to you on social media. This person completely has walked away. I see that this person has walked away, so they could have blocked you. Maybe they have blocked you. This person had a crush on you, but now they still have a crush on you. This person does not want to pay attention to you. They could be very shy. This person likes stalking you secretly. So they could have blocked you and they are reaching out from a fake account or someone else's account. This person will create fake accounts to follow you. This person has already created a fake account to follow you. This person likes helping other people, but they avoid being near you. So it's like they like helping others, but they avoid you. They could be shy or nervous around you. This person is more motivated to understand you. This person is going to create multiple fake accounts to follow you. They could be having an argument with you on social media. This person could be having an argument with you on social media. And many people could be following your arguments. They want to see you come up with new ideas. So this was the reading for pile 3. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Now let's move on to pile 4. Pile 4, this is your reading. With the Knight of Cups reversed, they do not stalk you on social media. They could have disabled their account. I see that their account is disabled. They do not use social media a lot. You might think that they have blocked you or they are avoiding you, but the reality is that they have disabled their account or they don't use their account too much. They do check out your content sometimes when they open their account, but they treat you like just any other follower. They see you like just like they see other people. So they do not give you any special treatment. They want to understand your post on Instagram. They do read your post. They like all the creativity you have put in your post. Maybe you are a writer or a poet, or you post aesthetic pictures. They like putting like on your pictures, so they could be liking your pictures on Instagram. They do not want to end up fighting with you, so they avoid you. They avoid confrontation with you. They want to check out your post on social media. Every single post they want to check out. They could be following you from a fake account. They have a crush on you and they will make a fake account to follow you. They want to follow you back. They want to approach you in real life as well, apart from approaching you on social media. They like putting like on your pictures. They want to check out your other accounts too. So if you are someone who have multiple accounts, they are checking them out too. They want to put like on your other accounts too, but they are hesitating. They keep your page opened on their phone Maybe they have your pictures saved as well. Maybe you have a website that they have checked out, so maybe you have put a website in your bio that they were checking out. They want to make purchases with you. They want to pay you money and buy something from you. So this was the reading for pile 4. Thank you for watching this video.